Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for FET price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the daily chart, as you can see, of course, for FET we're still looking for a bloody day after this massive drop down, of course, for most of the crypto market. However, FET was also one of the crypto that it has invalidate, of course, a bullish scenario, of course, towards the upside where we had our last chance as contracting diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we said, of course, if the price breaks this trend line here, the lower one taken from the parallel here from the both tops, and we break it, of course, that means your wave 4 right now is longer than your wave 2, which is not allowed in a contracting diagonal. And by all means, of course, now we have invalidate most of the bullish scenarios that we have in this area. And we're back, of course, to our bearish scenario where we are looking, of course, at 5 waves down here as a trend line, of course, which is the primary trend line actually. And we have finished almost kind of like WXY or impulse as ABC, as zigzag as ABC. And now we are looking to an impulse towards the downside where your wave 3 might of course be the longest. Um, However, if this is your 1, 2, 3, you're still looking for a wave 4 and a 5, and where we have expected here a 0.618, of course, which is uncommon target normally for a finish zigzag. And by all means, in that case scenario, you will get a truncated zigzag for a WXY. And by all means, here is 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then 3 waves down, finishing this Y, possibly an uncommon target, but yeah, much more possible with a common target at the 1-to-1 fib level taken at, of course, a $0.59 for Solana, $0.59. So that is very critical price action, of course, for FET. So yeah, first target, I would say, let's say $1 exactly at 0.618. If we don't see any strength signal towards the upsides, 5 ways up, 3 ways down, taking the high as a confirmation, then I would say, of course, we don't have any chance right now for a bullish scenario in FET. So this is what it is, guys. If you want to take even 1-2-1-2 here, your wave 2 anyway took the low almost or touched the 886, which is not a 1-2 as well. We don't have also contracting diagonal as explained, and this is the only thing. Now, yes, there is one more scenario. Yes, there is one more bullish scenario. Sorry, I just saw it. So let's remove all of this just to make it clearer. The only bullish scenario that it might be, guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your wave 2 is here. Yes. So that might be, yeah. But of course, to finish this wave 2, you still need one more leg. So in case we touch this fib level here, that might play as well as 1 ABC as expanding flat, right? As 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, and a C, which is perfect actually. 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a perfect bullish scenario. At the same time, it is in confluence with this zigzag with uncommon target with your 0.618. But of course, possibility then goes higher for this bullish scenario. So yeah, my expectations are, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one more leg towards the downside, finishing this impulse for FET. And then by finishing this impulse here, we gotta finish a wave C, right, for your ABC as a wave 2. As, of course, A, B, and a C. Here we go. So yeah, basically this is my expectation for it. Higher possibility, of course, for this scenario, but we still have one more leg to finish, I think, and then moving towards the upside. Now, if you take a look also at the FET KGT indicator, We can see, of course, on the 50-minute chart, this is the impulse that we talked about. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, obviously for wave 1, A, B, and a C, of course, for wave 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 even doesn't look finished. So yeah, I think even your wave 3 is not even finished. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 3. So, and then 4, 5. And now we see, of course, a buy signal here, but because we have a big wave 4, 5, I think, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So we're gonna see higher prices, but doesn't mean, of course, that we are moving directly towards the upside. Now for the accumulation, we can see also some green candles. That is very nice signal, actually. Also for accumulation of buyers here, where we can see, of course, more buyers entering the market at this bottom right now. But it doesn't mean structurally that it is ended. We are still in an impulse, and we might, of course, dive deeper. Now, in case, of course, let's take a scenario as well where we might move directly. So let's move a little bit 1 hour to the 1 hour chart. Yeah, so to the 1 hour chart here, as you can see, if this is your 1, 2 here, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 1, ABC wave 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finished wave 3, okay. And then you're looking for wave 4 here and a wave 5. Yeah, so actually, okay, if this is finished then, if this is finished as WXY zigzag, you have, of course, then finished also here another zigzag and another zigzag, WXY. So potentially we are kind of like, yeah, 60% bullish, yeah. But I would consider here an 80% bullish in this area. And if we see, of course, a strength signal like this, again, by confirming here the high, I would call, of course, a bullish scenario, right? 5 waves up, 3 waves down, taking the high, I would confirm a bullish scenario with finished WXY. This is exactly what it could happen here for FET. So yeah, so let's watch and see which scenario. But yeah, to recap, we are very close to move towards the upside with a bullish scenario, right? And then, of course, continuation, whether from here or from this fib level. Now, if we break this fib level, of course, we come back to our bearish scenario to finish a 1-to-1 fib level for a zigzag here in WXY for a wave C as well. That was it for FET. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. And if you're interested in KGT, of course, you can find all the detail in the description how you can get it. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.